Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and his crew have decided to bring the Jumanji film series back to Hawaii, right? So mahalo for that, brother. We also want to say ho'omaikai on your recent Entertainment Icon Award. The actor-entrepreneur was recently honored at the 8th Annual American Black Film Festival Honors, which celebrates success in film and television. And sometimes I forget that he has his black side as well as his Samoan side, right? He was recognized for his impact on global culture, entertainment, and his career spanning wrestling, television, and film, and he cried.
Cry baby.
But some of the other honorees were superstars Angela Bassett and Jennifer Hudson, both of whom commented on The Rock being present. They made him laugh and blush. Now, The Rock recognized his team of champions. Most of them are women, and I thought that was just very cool, especially on this Girls' Day.
Today's Girls' Day?
Today's Girls' Day.
Oh, shakas and shout-outs to our girls. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, oh no, it's all good, brother. Thank you. Another honoree lit up the internet. Actor Jim Carrey received the honorary Caesar Award in Paris, and he delivered his entire acceptance speech in French, which he reportedly practiced for months so that he could honor his French ancestry. But conspiracy theorists claim it wasn't him, that it was a doppelganger. And the rumors were fueled by a post from a popular drag artist known for dressing as famous people, and who even captioned these pics, the pics that you're seeing right here, with Alexis Stone as Jim Carrey in Paris. Well, representatives for the comic, so there you go, that was Alexis Stone as Jim Carrey in Paris. Well, representatives for the comic actor confirm he really did accept his own award. He really did practice his speech for months in French. And, you know, but again, another cause of the rumors is that Carrey is starting to look really different than usually.
Well, as you age, you look different.
You think so, right?
As you get older, you look a little bit different.
He's 64.
Yeah, so, and even if he tightened things up, you're gonna look different.
Right.
Anyway, I mean, he looked different from when he was on, you know, In Living Color. Let me tell you something. Remember those days? That was so good fun.
The Fire
Marshal Bill.
Fire Marshal Bill.
Let me tell you something. I cannot do it, but anyway, he used to do that.
Well, speaking of craziness right here, things are getting a little crazy with the release of thousands of documents, images, and videos. And unfortunately, this is not really a laughing matter because it's the Epstein files, right? Well, someone or some group put down a guerrilla art installation called the Epstein Walk of Shame. Now, I say down, normally they put up art, but I say down because it's modeled after the Hollywood Walk of Fame, except that it features stars bearing the names of people linked to the Epstein files. Now, the display popped up in Washington, D.C.'s Farragut Square. Each star includes a QR code that links to articles or public records discussing the person's reported ties to the late convicted sex offender. So no word on who's responsible or even how long it will remain in place.
So it takes artists to do these kinds of things, and a lot of people are waiting for the Department of Justice to bring, you know, these
people to justice.
So
until then, you can just go with your QR code and find out, what's the connection.
And how come taking so long?
How come?
What I mean?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much for that, sis. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back. Let me tell you something. And we'll be back with more Island Life Live.